Hey, this is Chris with Paragon Inspection. So put yourself for just a minute in these pretend shoes. Let's pretend that you just bought a new house. You're moving in your furniture into all the new empty and open spaces. Then you go into your laundry room and it's time to hook up your washer. No problems there. And then it's time to hook up your dryer. Well, if you have an electric dryer, you're in good shape, but it doesn't matter if you have a gas or electric dryer. As you look around here, there is nowhere to hook up the dryer vent to exhaust to the outside of the house. So little item that they've forgotten here, and they're certainly going to want to get that taken care of before these folks take ownership of their new home. Just one of a million little things we're looking for when we inspect your new home or existing home. So let us know when we can help, and that's what we're here to do, the Paragon Inspection. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.